Hey guys, this is Jerry Camera Flip and I'm back with another video in Jerry's World. And in today's... Wait, I said the wrong thing. We're not in Jerry's World, we're in Jerry's Kitchen. Jerry's Kitchen's back because we're back in lockdown. Why? Why are we back in lockdown? We don't want that. And I'm still going to school. What? What was this? But today in Jerry's Kitchen, I'm going to be cooking some what am I doing again? I forgot. Yeah, buffalo wings and buffalo drumsticks. I have my hot sauce here and then my things, my ting. Yeah, so I'm gonna be making buffalo wings. Why do I keep doing this? Let's roll the intro. So guys, right here I have my chicken, my drumsticks, and then my wings. Moving on, I have my what's this? These are my green onions that I chopped up. Got hot chili powder. I was about to say garlic powder. Ground pepper, salt. What's this again? Olive oil. I have my butter for the buffalo sauce, and then I have the Frank's hot sauce original. I've never like tried it, so yeah. And I also have my paprika over here for the extra seasoning. And yeah, guys, right now I'm about to just dry off my chicken. Just to like, the reason why I dry it off, yeah, is to like, my sister's so loud. But the reason I dry it off is to like, to get that extra crispiness, so it's not like all sloppy, you know. It's not normally sloppy, but like, it's just so it's not really soft. Yeah, so it's just to make it like crispy. And I've left it over for a while, so it's already a bit dry. See, it's not really that wet. And the oven is heating up right now, so it'll be ready as soon as I put the chicken in. So guys, right now I'm about to season it. So I've washed my hands, so make sure to wash your hands before doing this. So I'm gonna season some of the wings first. Not all of it at the same time, because not all of it will collect the seasoning. So yeah, I'm just gonna season this bunch first, so the wings first and then the drumsticks. Let's get started. Fast forward. Anyways, guys, yeah, I'm okay. I finished seasoning. Yeah, I finished seasoning all the chicken and yeah, all of this is here. Now, time to go in the oven. So guys, I preheat the oven, so it's gonna be like, it's already kind of hot. So I'm just gonna put this in. I put it over there. I'm putting it like 150 degrees because my oven's kind of strong. But I'm gonna leave it for like 45 minutes. 45 minutes. What was I saying? And I'm gonna keep checking every like 10, 20 minutes. Oh no! Oh! I'm joking. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna add a bit of the Frank's red hot sauce. Red hot, yeah, whatever. Actually, let me take this off.
¿Y esta mantequilla?
So guys, I'm just like boiling this. Well, not boiling, but like, you know, I'm just getting it ready. Guys, I'm taking the wings out now. It's kind of heavy. Oh, it's not that heavy. Never mind. So, they're nice and crispy. I just want to eat one. Just want to eat one. Okay, so now I'm gonna be mixing it in. It might look a bit bland on the camera, but guys, trust me, this looks
nice. Boy, if you don't.
that hurt. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna put them into the bowl so I can mix it in with the buffalo sauce that I made. And yeah, guys, I changed my mind. I was gonna mix it in here with the other bowl, but I changed my mind, so I just dumped it.
Hi guys.
Where I dumped it all in here where I put the sauce. So then I have like some left over for the rest of the chicken. So now I'm not gonna dump it out because I need the rest of the sauce. I'm just gonna take it out, and guys, look at that. Oh, wait, kind of struggling here. Look at that. It's all coated. So guys, I have some leftover hot sauce there, but this is what I've been waiting for. This is what I'm making. We're gonna add some green onions on top, like I showed you at the beginning, I think. But yeah, I'm just gonna add them at the top to make it like look nicer. You get me? So this is it, guys. You like it? I know you want some. Like, stop crying. I know you want some. Stop crying. If you guys want me to give you like a recipe, just comment it down below, and I'll just like put it in the comments for the people that want to know how to make it. For the people that want to know how to make this. So open your own YouTube channel. Why is she on mine? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I'm definitely gonna enjoy this. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Camera flip out. So guys, I just want.
Hey guys, it's Toma. I work on the long thingy. On the fine, on the balloon, on the water, on the dancing, and on
What?
the
This girl's trying to steal my YouTube channel. Get out here. So guys, I just wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers. You wanna go down?
Yes.
Oh, shut up. I just wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers, guys. We've hit 430. Thank you so much. When I started posting again, I only had like 200 and something. Now I'm 430. Come on, guys. Why are you pushing me? Thank you so much. And now you will enjoy my sister saying my outro. Go on, say it. Say it.
Hey guys, it's Toma.
Peace. Camera flip out.